What's up, guys? It's a new day, and we're gonna get started on the body work just as soon as I figure out what I did with the razor blade. I mentioned in the last video that I had some dimples that I want to get out, so I went on Amazon today. I bought some stuff. We're gonna see how well it works. I'll link it in the description. But this is basically a set of PDR tools that you can pop a dent without messing up the paint, grinding it down, etc., etc. So we're going to try this on a couple of our trouble spots. Holy crap! Alright, so when doing this, you want to try and get the reflection of the light. Let me see if I can see the bar of the light. You want to get it to where you can kind of see it wave, so that way you can work it to be more like straight on, like a straight line like that. So as you're working the dent, you know just how much more you have to come out. So right now it's kind of like the S shape, and as I back out, it goes smooth. So we want to be able to see that so we know when this is right, because then it'll match the contour of the rest of the car and it won't be that weird S shape kind of thing going on there. So like a kind of looks like an N from this angle, but yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and just start to pull it. Well, after banging on this thing for what feels like hours, and what has been hours, it's after 11 now, and it's getting to the point where I can't tap on it anymore. This is the final result. Still a little bit of waviness there. Yeah. See it in the reflection there. But the good news is I think I got it mostly away from the crease right here. Or where am I at? Right here. I mostly got it away from this crease, which is the hardest part. It's now mostly on the interior, like right here, and looks like a little bit up in here. I got a little crazy with tapping, but those should come out. I just gotta get back on it. But that's probably gonna do it for tonight. I'll have to pick this up tomorrow after work. Alright, so it's day 2, and I've already been pulling on this one a little bit, and I think it's about as good as it's gonna get. But I mean, just a little bit of a little wave there, but I think I'm done pulling on this one. Looks a hell of a lot better, and it's a lot less noticeable. So far, this kit is amazing for 50 bucks on Amazon. It's got a little glue gun and that thing and a bunch of these little tips, so you put glue on and then just kind of yank it, but you see all the glue pads that come off. And I had to grab some alcohol to soften that glue, pull it off. But what I'm going to do now is we're going to pop out this nasty dent. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Right there. We're going to pop that guy out. We're going to see what kind of damage we could do to that. So I'm going to pop this thing on the tripod, roll the car back a little bit, and I'll get to popping her out.
Okay, so the dent we're working on is right here, and I'm not sure if you can even see that from the perspective that you're sitting at. So it helps to have a light, kind of like this one, and even more points if it sticks to things. Now, normally I'd be worried about this because magnets on paint tend to scratch it, especially when you like move it around if you slide it. But because my paint's totally shot anyways, we're just gonna send it. It helps to kind of turn it to a point where you could get the bar of the light on your dent so you can kind of see what you're doing. You may have to manipulate this a little bit, put it low. Kind of like that, just so that way when you're looking at it from a normal angle, not like crouching down like this, you can see where you're working. Yeah, see if we can't get this this door crease out. Now from this perspective, you can kind of see what I'm seeing. You see a little bit of a shadow towards the bottom of this, like over on this side of the line, and then more of a highlight up on this opposite side, like right in here. And we want that to be uniform with the rest of the body, kind of like over here. So that's what we're going to be doing. That's what you're going to be seeing while I'm doing it in real time. Helps if you have a spray bottle for the alcohol. If you don't have one, it's okay. Oh, look at that. Look at it. It's already 10 times better than it was. I almost don't want to mess with it anymore because that is awesome. Alright, this one's a bit smaller right here. But you can tell because of the shadow, if I move the camera around just a hair, it's supposed to be a straight edge. But then as it gets closer to it, it kind of goes in. So, get you right there, more or less. Let's pop it in. We're gonna need a lot for this one. This one should pop right out. Something like that. That might even be too much, but let's take it easy. This one pops off pretty easy, so shouldn't be too big of a deal. Just gonna go ahead and start to pull. That was just a quick pull like that, just to pop it off. That looks pretty freaking good to me. Still a little bit of a thing there, but I don't even know if hitting it again would really matter. Just a little bead. Yank it. Quick pull. How's that looking to you? Still a little bit of a ding. There's only so much you're going to be able to do with a PDR kit. Maybe we'll do one more for kicks, because why not? Minimum. Considering the size it was before, that's acceptable. That's not bad. That's not bad. I'll take it. The point is to get it as small as you can, and then when you go to do body, a minimal body filler. But I'll take that. Okay, well, with that being said, car's relatively dent-free besides this disgusting hood, which is probably just going to get replaced because I'm not even sure it's straight. I have no idea what's going on with it. Front end definitely needs to be done. I gotta rip it all apart, but still trying to figure out the story of that. and what to do about other transportation, as well as like a parts hauler kind of deal. Something to dolly it. But yeah, still trying to figure that out, and it's gonna be a bit. Hopefully, cross my fingers, next week I'll get some more information about the manifold I ordered. Yeah, it will not be. It'll be the following week before I even know anything as far as whether or not it's shipped. Apparently, it had to be made by the manufacturer, which I'm not gonna tell you which one I got, but we'll go over that once I get it. So, but it has been ordered. But yeah, so we're gonna try and find some other stuff to do soon. But as of right now, that's about it. Unless some motor goes. Oh, could get exciting. I don't know. In the meantime, take it easy, and we'll see you later.
I'm a true champion.